Hi, welcome to Formanite Academy. Today we learn adding decimals, how we add our decimals. Let's understand with easy and simple examples, which is 5.3 plus 2.3. Now, write the numbers in such way that the decimal point is aligned vertical. 5.3 plus 2.3. Now we add these numbers. We will start with the right column, which is 3 plus 3 is 6 decimal. Now the second column, 5 plus 2 is 7. Now this is the simple example that explain how we add two decimal numbers together. Now go ahead with more examples, which are 4.5 plus 2.5 and 3.2 plus 1.2. Now you can pause the video and try yourself. Now we write this first number to align the decimal, which is aligned vertically. 4.5 plus 2.5. Now we start add from the right column, which is 5 plus 5 is 10. Now 0 is right and carry 1. Now in this column, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. Now 4.5 plus 2.5 is equal to 7.0. Now add these numbers. Again, line up the decimal vertically, 3.2 and 1.2. Plus now add from the right column, 2 plus 2 is 4 decimal, 3 plus 1 is 4. Now look. Now understand and try the decimal numbers which are end in the hundred place. 4.32 plus 3.25. Now let's write as the decimal number is aligned up vertically. 4.32 plus 3.25. Now add these numbers from the right column, which is 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 plus 2 is 5 decimal. 4 plus 3 is 7. Now the answer of this example is 7.57. Let's understand with the another similar example, which is 2.35 plus 3.25. Now stack these numbers so that the decimal point is aligned up vertically. 2.35 plus 3.25. Now start adding from the right column, which is 5 plus 5. Now add these numbers from the right column, which is 5 plus 5 is 10. So we need to write here is 0 and carry 1 to the second column. Now 3 plus 1 is 4 and plus 2 is 6. Now place the decimal, then add the last column, which is 2 plus 3 is 5. Now the answer of this example is 5.64. Let's move to another example. What would you do in the situation like you are given 7.35 plus 4.9. One number is end at the 100th place and the second number is end at the 10th place. Now first we need to align up these numbers. So the decimal point is vertically aligned. 7.35, 4.9. Now you can see that the decimal point is aligned up, but here is not a number. You just put a 0, then add these numbers from the right column, which is 5 plus 0 is 5. Now move to the second column. 3 plus 9 is 12. You write 2 here and 1. Move to the carry. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12.12. Now the answer of this example is 12.25. Now let's solve the similar example, which is 3.2 plus 5.34. First is to align up these numbers vertically. 3.2 now plus 5.34. Now you see the decimal point is vertically aligned, but This place is empty. Place the 0. Now add these two numbers. 0 plus 4 is 4. Next, 2 plus 3 is 5. Point. 3 plus 5 is 8. Now let's try the next example in which we add three decimal numbers. One is 1.25 plus 2.5 plus 4.35. Now we have a three decimal numbers. First, we align these numbers so that the decimal point is vertically aligned. Right, 5.25 plus 2.5. Next, 4.35. Now you can see all these numbers are vertically aligned, but this place is empty. And you know, at the empty place, we add the 0. Now add these numbers. 5 plus 0 is 5, and now 5 plus 5 is 10. We need to write 0 here and add the carry to the next column, which is 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Now write the 1 here and carry to the last column. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Now 4 plus 4 is 8. Now the answer of this example is 8.10. Now here is the next similar example, which is 23.5 plus 2.5 plus 3.45. Now carefully align these numbers so that the decimal point is vertically aligned. Let's write 23.5 plus 2.5 plus 3.45. Now add these numbers. You can see that this place and this place is empty. Now I add 0. Now add first column, which is 0 plus 0 is 0, then plus 5 is 5. Next add the second column. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. We need to write 4 here and carry the 1 to the next column. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. And the decimal, now the 2 is placed. Now the answer of this example is 29.45. Now let's take a last example which I choose much harder than the previous one. Let's write is 3.73 plus 11.651 plus 132.4 plus 0.6268. Now carefully align these numbers so that the decimal point is aligned vertically. Now write 3.73. Next is 11.651 plus 132 decimal 4, and the last is 0.6268. Now you can see these places are empty. Now I add 0. Now add these numbers. Now add the first right column. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. Now move the next column. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 plus 6 is 7. Next move. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. Then 8 plus 2 is 10. We write the 0 is here and move a carry over 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. And 18 plus 6 is 24. Now write the 4 here and move over the 2. 3. Place the decimal. Now 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Write 8. Next move. 1 plus 3 is 4. And now 1. Now the answer of this example is 148.4078. Now you can try these examples at home. Great job. Have a nice day. See you next video.